All right, let's talk crypto. We're going to break down exactly what it is and how it actually works. Simple. So what if you could send money to anyone, anywhere, with no bank in the middle? That's crypto's big idea. Basically, it's digital-only money, and instead of a bank, powerful computer code is what keeps it all secure. Okay, so how does that even work? Well, it all comes down to a technology called the blockchain. The easiest way to think about it is like a shared notebook that everyone on the network can see. Instead of one bank approving a transaction, the entire network verifies it, making it public and really secure. Okay, but how do you keep your money safe? Well, you don't get a password. You get a master key. This phrase isn't just a password. It's the only way to get to your funds. It is everything. And here's the catch. Lose that phrase and your money is gone forever. The responsibility is 100% on you. So that's the tech. But what can you actually do with it? Let's check out some of the opportunities. Look at this. By cutting out the middleman, sending money overseas can be way cheaper and faster than a bank. And it gets even cooler. It's not just for money, it also allows for these things called smart contracts. It's like a digital vending machine. You meet the conditions and the result pops out. No human needed. But with all this new potential comes some really serious risks, and you absolutely need to know them. First off, the prices are incredibly volatile. Your investment's value can swing wildly, and I mean fast. This idea of being your own bank sounds great, right? But it also means there is zero safety net. No fraud protection, no insurance, and if you send money to the wrong person, it's just gone for good. And scammers love this space, so here are some huge red flags you have got to watch out for. So let's just put it all side by side. The differences in safety and stability are, well, they're huge. It really just boils down to this. Crypto gives you total freedom, but you also get total responsibility. So the big question is that trade-off actually worth it? That's what you have to decide.